How to get your YouTube channel ID. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want a channel ID of YouTube, then simply go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Now from the left side toolbar, tap on the advanced settings option and here, if you see, you will be able to view your channel ID right here. You can simply go ahead and tap on the copy option if you want to copy your channel ID and further paste it anywhere you want. So this was about how you can view your YouTube channel ID. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.